What's up, guys? Happy Saturday, happy weekend. I hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend. As you guys see from the title of this video, we got the most important part back for the LS 350Z. I know it's been 15 days since I even made a video, and you know what? I started making videos in between and wanted to really set up, like, you know, in between time stuff, some how-to stuff on cars like this, and that one's not done yet. So believe me, you guys are gonna get a video on that. But every time I start a video, it just wasn't interesting enough to me, and I want to give you guys like fresh content, stuff that's not just filler stuff. And so I figured I'd wait a little bit longer, and then once I have talked to Tweaked and was able to know when I was getting my harness back, it was gonna be the best time to give you guys a new video, something for you guys to look forward to, and especially something for me to look forward to, because like y'all, I've been waiting for my car to run properly. So now we have the harness. You guys saw the harness, you saw the box drop, you know what it is, and you know it's time to get that thing in, and let's get this car running. So, a little bit before I go into what has happened with it, what they found, me talking to Tweaked and all that, I want you guys to know that I am still doing how-to videos. I will be doing the how-to video on the water pump for the VHR setup, which is in the garage currently. I haven't started that yet. I haven't done anything with that. I did do the black car, the rev up, as you guys can see right here, to DE swap on that other black car. But when I started to make the how-to video, it just wasn't interesting enough to me, or wasn't enough information that I figured it would be a valid how-to video. So if you guys have questions on how to do it, a lot of you guys you know, ask me, what do I need to use, that type of stuff. And I also explained in my last video that on a rev up to DE swap, it's really not that big of a deal. You use the same harness. You pretty much just put the engine in, and depending on if you use the ECU from the DE, you have to flash it for the new car to take the nats off for the immobilizer, or if you're using the one from the car, that's for the rev up. You know that you take off 4 sensors. They know what to do when they're flashing it. My guys over at Hexa Motorsports are the ones that usually do it for me and my customers, and I mean, it's a real simple thing. So those were only the key points that were for a rev up to DE swap, and so it would just be another swap video. And so I didn't really make any effort to like try and make a whole video out of it. So if you guys got questions, you guys know you can DM me. You know that you can write the comments on here, drop them below if you have questions, and you know I'll take care of you that way. So that being said, let's get into the video. Let me explain to you what they found with Tweaked, and let's get this car started. Okay, real quick, I want to show you guys the slaps that I got from my man over at Sticker Wise. He's out of Stockton, California, makes real good quality stickers. Big shout out to him. Shout out to him for making these stickers for me. He hit me up, said he wants to make them for me so I can hand them out. So huge thanks to you, my guy. You guys should check him out. I'm gonna drop the link right here below on where to find him on his Instagram. Give him a follow, let him know I hit you guys about it, and check out his work. He does some awesome things. So yeah, big thank you, bro. I love these. I've been handing them out to all the customers. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be doing way more with him in the future. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. Okay, and now we can come over here and you can see, we can open this box, and there it is. Same harness. It even has a little body plug that I left, and we can get this thing out. Hopefully this doesn't take that long to go in, because of the fact that I've already done it once. I mean, it shouldn't take that long. So I'm gonna kind of lay it out. I'm gonna lay it out on here, kind of show you guys how it lays out, and then we'll start plugging it in, start figuring it out, and we'll go from there. So yeah. Before I lay it out though, I want to show you guys, I did the upper radiator hose. This upper radiator hose is from like a 99 Corvette. I don't know if that is a C5, but it's actually one full hose. But I figured out that if you cut it down a little bit, I put this in here because the steam port still has to have a port that comes and goes into the upper radiator hose. I got the 34mm hose clamp right here, extension, and then I put a 90 on here. It's a 1/4 inch NP, or actually it's 1/8 inch NPT, and then it just has the nipple that comes off of here. I secured it this way, put a zip tie on it to keep it nice and clean out of the belt, and just routed it this way. So, oh, I also made this clamp. So the clamp actually on the inside here, you can see it goes to where the fan is at, and then comes around here, and then I just use a self-tapper down to kind of hold this away from here, because you can see there is a little bit of room, but if I were to take this off, it'd actually be sitting against the pulley, and I don't need this moving at all into the pulley. So I did that, and then I've also been setting up the hoses. This is 5/8 heater hose, and then there is 3/4. The ones that come out of the firewall here are 3/4. So the only thing I'm gonna have to do is get maybe an elbow on this corner that goes from 3/4 down to 5/8 for the one hose, and then I can use the 3/4 that goes into the other side. So I am gonna have heater hoses on it, but I didn't want to secure these yet, because now that I have to put the harness through here and go down and around and through here and all that stuff, I didn't want it to get messy or it to be too tight or me not be able to route it how I want to, because you guys know that I really want it to be clean and simple and zip tied and out of the way and that type of stuff. So we're gonna go from there, and then yeah, let's get this thing laid out. So you guys see everything now is put on. I don't have everything zip tied yet because I want to make sure that it starts and runs so we don't have that same issue that we did before. But this is the most complete you guys have seen this engine. I even have the mass airflow on. All connectors are connected. So, I mean, let's start this thing. Let's see what happens. I have the key right here, and I think I'm actually gonna have her help me. So do you want to start it so I can be out here, or you want to run the camera and we can do it this way?
I don't know.
All right, while we figure that out,
I'm gonna run the camera.
You're gonna run the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, well here it goes. So I'm gonna get in there and try and start it, and we're gonna see what happens. Don't get scared.
Okay, oh my gosh.
It's okay. So, just fair warning, and she can attest to this, I haven't even tried to start it yet, right?
No.
No, I have not tried to start it. Everything is on here, so I don't know what's gonna happen. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna find out. Ready?
Ready?
Yeah! There it is. Oh man, let me see this. Here you go. It's running. I'm not inside. The brake cleaner's right here. Holy crap, it's in. Yes, 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 yes. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna turn it off because I got to zip tie some wires and stuff, but you guys just heard the first startup. Everything's good to go. Man, excited. It's about damn time. So I'm gonna turn this off before I start melting wires, because that would be bad, and then we're gonna start it up again. Hopefully we get a test drive in either by the end of this video, or my next video for sure is gonna be the test drive. So, all right. Man, y'all, you don't even understand. Yeah, she didn't even know I was doing this. So, man, I'm just like sitting here in amazement. I know y'all are happy about this. I can't wait to start making some shred videos, like some drive videos. Me and Mike want to mob. We were just talking about it the other day. We're gonna take her in the car and scare the shit out of her. And so I'm just stoked. Like I can't even believe how good it's running.
I'm not going in there. Are you crazy?
Why not? Yeah, okay, so to be fair, I took her on like winter jam or summer jam out at the track, like, what was that, like 2 years ago? Mm-hmm. Yeah, and so I took her in the car and she said she's never getting in the car again. But we're gonna make that happen. We're gonna see what happens. So maybe we'll do like a reaction video of her.
For $1,000, I'll do it.
Man, $1,000. Hey, I need y'all to run up the ads, watch my stuff. No, but I'm stoked on this. So I'm gonna start buttoning this up a little bit, chill for a minute, and then we'll probably wrap this video up. I need to put coolant in it. I still have to run to the store and stuff. So this is probably not gonna be a drive around video, but I mean, you guys see that it starts, it runs. I have no leaks. I was letting it run for a minute to make sure everything under here, you can see, is all dry. Everything's good. So yeah, I'm gonna get this all buttoned up. We're gonna put some coolant in it and stuff, and then we're gonna start another video because I'm so stoked right now. You don't even know. So yeah.
So I'm really excited. This car is running.
Oh, it's like that?
Anyway.
She doesn't think I'm gonna use this in the video, so.
No!
Yeah, exactly, exactly. So she was using the camera to like fix her hair and stuff because it's got a front facing.
On all day.
Yeah.
You want to record me with my hair with hat head?
She's still beautiful, right? Hey, y'all, knock it in the comments. Let her know how pretty she is in the comments. Hit it down here. All right, now I'm really gonna get back to work. All right, so I want to give you guys the final look at the car. We actually have a bumper on it. I don't have to jack it up anymore or worry about that coming off. You can see I have the intake on. Let me get out of like your guys' light. So intake's on, secure. I have the upper radiator hose. I have everything pretty much set up here. I put the plastics back on. I do have to, however, get the T's for the heater hose because when I do want to put coolant in it, and I do need coolant for it. I mean a heater for it because I'm going to be drifting the car. The disrespect. I'm gonna be drifting the car, and if the car gets hot, I wanna be able to turn the heater on, as well as if I'm gonna be driving it during the winter time and it's raining, I do wanna be able to put the defrost on. So that's the last thing I really have to do. So I am going to wrap this video up. Let me let this guy who thinks he's a stud on his bike. Okay, now we can wrap this up. Did you hear that? The disrespect of that guy. So anyway, yeah, so that's what the car looks like. My next video will definitely be a video of me driving the car around. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be taking it to the track. My whole goal is I really want to take it to the track on Wednesday, now that I know that it runs, but I kind of have a tendency to like push things a little bit too fast. So I'm going to take my time this time and make sure that the engine doesn't blow up, have any knocks, have any leaks, overheat, stuff like that. So anyway, thank you guys for rocking with me. I really appreciate you guys like checking in, being patient. I'm sorry it's taken 2 weeks for me to get out another video, but as you guys see, this video was way worth it. And now we have a lot more content to look forward to. So I'm gonna wrap this up and I'm gonna get in there and start editing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.